Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house in the much desired Westmore Gardens, Westmoreland. It sits on 0.17 acres and it is 5 minutes out of the Savanna-la-mar town center with all major amenities. This fully fenced property can be used as a two-family income earning property. It comes with spacious kitchen, living and dining, carport, and open car space, just to name a few. 30 minutes from Negril, and just an hour from the airport in Montego Bay. Whitehouse, Black River, and other great locations along the Jamaica South Coast with tourist attractions aplenty are within reach. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 28 million or US $181.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.